What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you
Hey
guys
y'all,
to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below,
send
and
out that
at the
message
very
to
least, y'all, leave
everyone.
us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, we're gonna use this sign right here. All right, so I'm gonna use this open roll mesh, get my ink mesh. So I'm just gonna take it, toss that down on the floor, fold it over, give that a good curl in on both sides, and pinch it right down the middle. All right. Y'all, now we're just gonna add our poofs right along the inside. Y'all, let's do 12-inch poofs. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna throw in a little bit of gray stripe and green to match those leaves. So for this one, we're gonna do 30-inch ruffles around the bottom, 8-inch around the top. We're gonna need 10 total of the 30 and 8 total of the 20. That's our 5 at 30. So let's add those ruffles real quick. All right, to add the 30-inch, y'all, we're gonna take it. We're gonna curl both ends just a little bit, and then we're gonna give it a ruffle. All right, then we're gonna add that ruffle right around. Yo, I'm liking these colors together so far. So we did 21-inch mesh, 12-inch poofs all the way around the top. We added 30-inch ruffles around the base. Now we're gonna put 20-inch ruffles to fill in the top. All right, 20-inch. We're gonna need 8 total. All right, so now we're gonna take this and we are going to roll it over once, twice, and then ruffle it down the middle. Yo, I'm gonna have to turn off that heater, yeah. All right, so we got our base. And these colors are based off of our sign, right? Little dot of super glue in all 4 corners. Then you're going to follow up with some hot glue right around those edges. You got to do all the steps. All right, we've got our sign ready. Let's make a bow. All right, so I'm gonna measure out, about 12 inches. Gonna give it a good little twist. Gonna measure out about, what the? All right, we're gonna go about 7.5 inches on both sides. All right, gonna cut about 8 inches up here. Now on this bow, we're gonna have all the long tails coming off this end. All right, give it a good twist. All right, measure out about 7. Each loop's just gonna get a little bit smaller. Another short tail over here. So normally we would pull 8 inches every time at the top for our tails and 10 to 12 at the bottom. This time, all of our long tails are over here. Short tails over here. All right, loop's just getting a little bit smaller. Y'all, what's funny is the printer was also squeaking. They came and did a little bit of maintenance on it, but it's still loud. All right, wrap our pipe cleaner right around it. Get it nice and tight. And then give it a good twist. All right, so our bow just has all the color from our sun. All right, gonna take 4 pipe cleaners. These are my favorite. All right, y'all, now we're just going to attach these 4 corners right into our wreath. All right, we're going to get our bow. All right. Y'all, I'm going to add this bow right up here. So we got our bow on there. All right, let's trim up our ribbon tails here. Y'all, let's cut our ribbon tails. I'm gonna need 9 of these at 13. All right, so we're going to take our ribbon tails. We're going to fold them right in half. Give it a good. Then we're just going to add those to those twist tabs and fluff them out a little bit. Going to alternate. We're not going to put our pink ribbon in backwards. All right, so we've got our tails all around the bottom. Now we're going to add our tails around the top. All right, so look how cute it came out.